Hey guys, Barkat here. So today I am going to show you how to download videos from Facebook Ads Library. So people who don't know how to download videos from Facebook Ad Library, so I believe this video is for you. First thing first, open your computer browser and write Facebook Ads Library, and you will find these types of URL: facebook.com/ads/library. Just click on this link. So once you landed on the Facebook Ads Library, so you can see these types of page, and there are three options: country, ad, category, and keywords. For example, if I select the United States, because I want to see all ads from the United States especially, and ad category I am selecting the all ads, and on the keyword part I am just typing roofing because I want to see roofing related ads on Facebook's. There are lots of ads you can see. Some are image and some are video. This is a video ads, I believe. Video ads. There are lots of video and images, and these all ads launch in February. That means all are pretty new, right? Let's say I want to download this video. So to download this video, just click on the see ad details, and these types of pop-up will appear. Just click on the right hand side of your mouse and you will see the inspect button. Click on the inspect. So on this screen you can see there is a button or tab called network. Just hit on the network tab and play this video for 1 second. Just pause and you can see this is the video, I believe. Just copy the URL from here, Ctrl+C, and paste it on another tab, and you can see this is the video. And if you would like to save this video, just click on the save video as. Just rename it. Let's say sample video 01, and it's running from my local machine, you can see. So yeah, this is how you can download videos from Facebook Ads Library. It's pretty easy, nothing complicated. So if you like this video, please subscribe this channels. I will post these types of tricks video more in near future. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.